This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the project and microphone are set. Open your Canva video or presentation and choose the slide where the voiceover begins. Connect a USB or headset mic and set it as the input in your computer's sound settings so levels are visible. In Canva, allow microphone access when prompted and select the recording option for a single slide or the entire video. Once done, do a quick test recording to verify clarity and comfortable volume before moving to full takes. Now you record directly inside Canva. Select the slide or timeline segment, click Record Yourself, and use the 3, 2, 1 countdown to get ready. Speak naturally, and if you trip, stop and record another take. Canva stores multiple clips so you can pick the best. After recording, use the built-in trim handles to remove silence or mistakes and position the clip on the timeline. Make sure to lower any background track so your voice remains the focus, and keep consistent distance from the mic. Finish by polishing and exporting. Adjust clip gain and apply Canva's noise reduction or voice filters to smooth tone and reduce hiss. Listen through the full video, and if timing is off, nudge clips on the timeline for sync. Export as MP4 for video or download audio only if needed. If you hear distortion or dropouts, re-record just the problem clip rather than the whole project, and make sure your mic drivers and permissions are up to date. That usually fixes intermittent recording glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.